touch. Think about you way too much. Am I overthinking it? I think it's all to touch. Monday, I was thinking about you. Tuesday, I was waiting at the phone. 2 days, nothing here from you. Yeah, we're gonna play, oh baby, I was getting tired. Thursday, I was losing my mind. Friday, you were returning the call. Weekend, you were waiting to play. I was going out, cause you were moving too slow. Sometimes I'm alone, they're out my window. Makes you feel close tonight. But you've been so out of touch. Think about the way too much. Am I overthinking it? I think you're so out of touch. That day I was getting higher. Sunday I was dancing on my own. 7 days you never tried to find me. Now I see the truth, I'm better when I'm all alone. Midnight I don't need to silence. Daylight I'm already letting go. Every time you look me in the darkness, I was learning how to find myself a shadow. Sometimes I'm alone, they're out my window. Makes you feel close tonight. But you've been so out of touch. Think about the way too much. Am I overthinking it? I think it's out of touch. I gave you chances, but you let them slip away. Now I'm stronger, I don't need you anyway. No more waiting, I got better things to do. If you call me now, I won't be missing you. Touch. Think about you way too much. Am I overthinking it? I think it's all out of touch.